This is Wish drone that's £20. Test. Good lord. Ow!
Genuinely, don't touch anything like that.
Ow!
They don't listen. It genuinely just turns on its own.
Looks a little bit surreal because I'm not used to it. Holy whoa!
There's also, I think, headless mode. It's one of these buttons. I don't know which because they're not labelled. the other remote had labels on everything. I don't know what this one does. But
So what's headless mode?
it just follows the remote, so you walk and it will come with you.
No way.
Yeah.
As if.
The camera has been installed.
Wow.
To power up the app.
Oh wow. Oh wow, well that's actually quite good. That's actually not
And
bad.
it's not slow.
No, that's actually surprisingly good.
Yeah.
It has to be Wi-Fi because Wi-Fi's got a much higher bit rate than Bluetooth.
Yeah.
Okay, it's recording apparently. What's happening? The drone appears to be not working now. Oh fuck.
It just doesn't seem to drive that well with the camera on it.
The camera stopped working. Look where the drone's been.
Oh wow.
The drone has been to a lovely place before it came here. What does this mean? I'm gonna press this.
You want to go off it and then press start again.
Wow, this is intuitive. Please connect to the... Oh, fuck.
Oh, so go back to settings.
No. It's not worth it.
Okay. So camera's tested.
Yeah, camera's tested, camera works, and we know that it works. Let's have a look at what you do with your fingers.
When I fly.
Yeah.
No. It's not quite it. You want them to stop flashing?
I like this UI.
Yeah, it's very intuitive. I like it.
This touchscreen UI is very good. I like how it's got like signal strength, just not true.
The battery is always full.
It's gonna blow up.
I think that's the end.
Yeah, do an outro. Thank you for watching Science with Greg. See you in the next one.